Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Tuesday. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok's shop product not showing on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok app. And before getting into TikTok shop, we need to know that we need to have over 1,000 followers and over the age of 18 to have TikTok sub account. And once you have all of that, and even after that, if you do not have the product shown, what you can do is simply go to your profile icon in the bottom right and click on three-line icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Here we need to write our problem, and you can show the screenshot as well that the TikTok shop products are not showing, and you need to clarify that you have 1,000 followers and you are over 18. And once you write all of the details of your problem, you can simply send it by this send icon over here on the right. And after this, TikTok help desk will finally address your problem and fix it. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.